Yo. Halo, Karigul.
Recording number 1. So, I'm on the expedition with my wife Mia. Hey Mia. Hey Mia, say hello.
Oh, hello.
Tent is up, so we can start working right away. I'll focus on indexing new plant species, and Mia, can you explain what you're gonna do?
Well, I'm going to meet the DevOps Pocket tomorrow.
Don't worry, you know.
Oke, hubungin Mia, guys. Radionya di mana ya radionya, Cok? Oke. Radionya. Ini kan
Okay,
radionya.
that's all for now. It was
Mia?
and Jake Higgins, day 1.
Hello? Mia?
Hey, sleepyhead. Finally up?
Halo, Karigul.
Where are you?
I should reach the village shortly.
Remember, if you see a totem, do not go any farther. Those are clear warnings.
I know. I read your book.
Well, I was hoping we'd have breakfast together. You surprised me, that's all.
Admit it. You thought I forgot your birthday, didn't you? Well, I didn't.
Halo, Bang Karigul.
Exactly what I wanted! It even has solar batteries.
And a macro element scanner. Check yourself to see if you're not missing any. We've been here only a few days, but stress can wear you out.
Tell me about it.
Kok lempar batu? Sorry, guys. Maklum lah ya, pemula. Kita nih permula. Bergizi dan ada di tenda. Paling makanan ini kayak gini lah. Itu aja, guys. Nah, paling makan makanan ini. Lagi, habis kah? Cuman segitu aja kita. Dan makan di tenda.
Well rested and well fed.
Perfect. And keep it that way. We need that brain of yours working at peak performance.
I'll try to take good care of it. Have you found them yet?
See. And as expected, they don't want to talk. They behave as if I am not here.
But they haven't driven you away. That's a good sign. You need to convince them that you're one of them.
Agreed. That seems to be the right course of action. I will sleep on the edge of the village and only eat what I can find.
Just be careful, please.
I will. But if I am to live like them, we can't be talking so often.
You're right. They're suspicious of technology.
If anything goes wrong, I'll leave the village and get you on the radio. Otherwise, you can assume everything is just fine and there is no need to worry.
All right. Let's focus on the goal. I'll be focusing on indexing new plant species. I think I saw a few new specimens around here.
Halo. Kapan pengumuman? Aku mau tumbuhan di sebelah para konstelan. Tapi kapibara, tidak berbahaya daripada sebenarnya ada begitu banyak keindahan dalam dan kayak paten. Oke, kapibara. Mereka selama ribuan saya pernah datang sama pada seperti itu. Oke. Pergi ke utara temukan tanaman tembakau. Pergi ke utara guys. Thank you lagi. Pergi ke utara. Kita nyari harus tembakau. Utara kemana sih cok? Utara. Kalau lihat utara kemana lihat utara? Sini north. Utara tuh north ya. North lebih ke north. Oke north sini nih guys. Kita ke north guys. North. Halo Lip. Ayo Lip, main Lip. Butuh kawan mabar ini. Cewekan terus Alip nih. Ini kah? Utara tuh yang mana sih? Naik sini kah? Manjat. Halo Uci Don, welcome. Tes. Halo. Aduh suara oke. Ah. Kok jatuh cok?
Fuck me. Yeah. I know I was supposed to not call, but the line snapped and I fell down a good 30 feet.
Yasmino, are you okay?
I'm not sure.
No, gua nggak oke karena gua habis
Please, I
titik.
can't hear you. Let me know once you have checked yourself.
Periksa tubuhmu. Gimana periksa tubuh guys? Oh, periksa chicken chin untuk local weight. Tekan weight, periksa catatan ransel. Oh, periksa. Ayo Lip, main Lip. Luko nih cok.
That's definitely not good.
Hubungi Mia.
It's all right. Nothing's broken. Just scratches and bruises. Nothing to worry about.
In the jungle, every scratch can be dangerous. You need to patch everything up. Do you remember how to do it?
Lupa.
I can't say that I
Baru,
remember.
saya pemain baru jadi nggak tahu ya.
Look for Molineria.
Salah, daunnya
It
panjang
has,
apa sih
long
bunga
leaves
kuning.
without any markings and is surrounded by yellow flowers.
Okay,
Daunnya panjang.
I'll go look for it.
Oh,
You should have it in your notepad. Call me when you've treated your wound.
Roger that. Over and
ini
out.
kah? Itu kah? Ada hantu cok. Kaget aku. Ada hantu kah? Ada hantu. Daun Morelia di mana sih daun Morelia? Daun Morelia di apa nih? Teling yang kuning kah? Halo Bang Omen, wah ini trainer Pokemon Master Pokemon Go. Nanti Bang ya, yang saya lagi kena suspend. Nanti tak ini. Daun pisang kita ambil dulu. Mau meliwet guys. Kalau mau melibut kita. Tar. Kumpulkan dulu di sini. Oke. Daun moral apa tadi? Daun kok di singkari kuning. Buat perban. Oh ini nah. Ini daun. Mana makanya? Saya lupa cuk. Ini kah keahlian kah? Hah? Taruh luar kah? Oh kembali ke ini kayaknya. F. Nah guys, ditarik. Ayo Lip, mabar lah, nah. Nggak jadi perban aja, jadi dong kubu.
Here I am, all wrapped up nicely.
Thank you Bang Omen, thank you. Sakit tidak? Sakit. Not bad.
Not much.
Good. Hopefully it will heal fast.
So, how are you doing?
I'll be initiated in a few days. I am optimistic. I expect to be treated as one of their own after that, and I should be able to ask some questions then. Some elders are opposed to this, though. Luckily, Chief Kuini is on my side.
Why are they
Ini
opposed?
wong 8 Lip bisa main Lip.
I think they were divided even before I joined them. The chief wanted to approach the World Health Alliance peacefully, but a few of the elders insisted on fighting. Now, the Jabaquaca basically have two factions.
Sounds dangerous, Mia.
Siapa yang
Be
ngasih-ngasih?
careful.
Jadi enak dikasih-kasih. Bang ada Blaziken nggak dude? Apa? Sorry bang, nggak kelihatan komen. Oh, komenku nggak kelihatan cai. Kulu-kulu kakak uji, sorry. Game apa nih bang? Bang ada Blaziken nggak dude? Blaziken apa sih bang? Sorry bang. Komennya kehalang semua tadi. Kupikir ada di sini tadi komen. Sorry. Pantesan nggak kelihatan. Ini game Green Hill bang.
Jake,
Game Green Hill.
come in. Jake, I need you here. Jake, please.
Blaziken apa sih kam?
Mia? What happened?
Hari ke-30 cuk,
Mia,
sudah 30 hari.
speak to me.
Kayak
Mia.
Mianya kena nih. Wah, thank you Bang Omen udah di. Woi. Bang, jangan banyak-banyak lah. Bingung nanti aku kembaliinnya. Cari Mia, gimana carinya nih? Ngeri juga kita. Tengah malam, Cuk. Ini, Cuk. Saya ini paling kan itu Pokemon ayam sih. Kupikir apa tadi? Aman bang, makasih bang supportnya, thank you bang ya, bang Omen. Wah ini trainer saya guys, trainer dia ini trainer apa ya, paling top lah, semua ID semua Pokemon dia ada lah di ini aja. Halo Sandi Saputro. Gamenya terlalu besar ya suara gamenya ya. Gue ini mau tutorial dulu soalnya jam 8 nanti mau main bareng teman-teman.
Jake, what the hell is going on there?
Gimana Bang Omen, lancar kah ininya
Speak to me, Jake.
Pokemonnya?
¿Por qué no me respondes?
Wah, thank you bang, like-nya sama gift-giftnya. Wis. Luar, wis. Bang Omen, thank you. Di luar lagi nih kah? Kerja apa lagi nyari Pokemon kah? Apa bang nonton? Aku nih kayak gini-gini aja nontonnya. Nah. Oh, tutorial kayak gitu aja sudah kah? Oh. Pilihan tadi apa? Grafik, kontrol tata grafik. Lagi makan. Oh, kerja. Tapi habis ini kerja, habis kerja apa gimana? Ini sedang aja. Refresh oke, 200 ya, cuma 180 kita bikin nggak biar nggak terlalu ini. Batas frame rate oke, limited batas oke, terima ya. Sambil ini David Saputra, halo, thank you. Kontrol audio, audionya kita kecilin dikit, dialognya oke. Saya lagi nunggu tim. Ini lagi nunggu tim bang, soalnya mau mabar. Mabar sama bareng teman-teman, cuman lama bener dia mereka ininya. Gamenya apa sih? Bahasa Indonesia, dialog lanjut. Ada bahasa Cina, nggak ngerti nanti kita bahasa Cina. Aura ready, pengingat kontrol oke, bener lah, nggak apa-apa itu aja. Kembali tutorial lagi kah? Kita cobalah tutorial lagi ya. Tadi masih ini, soalnya masih
You do know you have the walkie-talkie, right?
okay.
You can come up.
Just go ahead. I need to find something in my backpack.
What exactly? Gear should already be at the camp.
You will know when the time comes. Patience.
Very well. You can catch up, yes? The path leads through that canyon.
I know.
I know.
Oh, have you tied down the boat?
See. Jake, I know this might sound stupid under the circumstances, but I am glad we came back here.
Yeah, I feel you. That place is beautiful. Still,
we can't forget what we came here for in the first place, I know. But as soon as we're settled in, I am off to the Jawahuaca village. And what if they will not speak to us?
come on, let's not get ahead of ourselves. You're a phenomenal interpreter. If anyone can communicate with them, it's you.
Good thing I have an anthropologist at hand, Dr. Higgins.
Okay, I found the tent.
Is everything all right?
The camp looks impressive. They put up a tent for us. Looks like everything's ready. Soul Trail always delivers. At first glance, it looks like we have everything we might need.
Perfecto.
Perfecto. Day 2.
Well, that's everything. We're officially settled in.
You know what that means, don't you?
I remember the agreement, but maybe we should reconsider this. I'm not sure it's the best idea for you to visit them alone.
Cariño, you know I have to do this. It's the only way to make them
romantic canned beans.
Use your imagination.
Honey, I can't seem to find a bag or two. Are you sure you brought everything?
Yeah, everything the porters left. Why? Is anything missing?
I'm not sure yet. But it feels that way.
Oke. Ntar guys ya.
Looks like everything's ready. Mia, can you bring me a lighter?
Remember when I mentioned we seemed to be lacking some equipment?
Don't tell me.
Yeah, we have no fire.
We
Not
have
a single
no
lighter,
fire.
nor box of matches. We ordered both. Did you check everywhere?
I did. You need to do it the old-fashioned way.
Well, not the best start of the expedition.
Oke.
We need to find something dry.
Halo kakak, welcome. Green Hill bang. Green Hill nih kayak apa? Abang suka survival nggak? Bertahan hidup di hutan bareng teman-teman. Playernya bisa sampai 8 loh. Sampai 8 orang. Ini masih tutorial aja sih bang.
The fire is burning.
Jadi orang 8 tuh bangun camp, nyelamatin ini gitu. Cari aja searching aja Green Hill kayak gitu.
You seem so calm.
I am calm.
Lah abang main aja lah, Pak. Boleh main mabar bareng. Ini lagi nunggu teman-teman
Safer here than there.
Oh,
mau
I
mabar
don't
bareng.
know. Jaguars, venomous spiders, and snakes. Let's not forget the scorpions. A mere ant's bite hurts like hell.
Don.
I am well aware of that. But still, we have a chance to achieve something. Make a difference. At home, all we could have done was be helpless and wait. I prefer...
Abang main game apa kah?
I love you. If I had known where my ambition would lead us, if I knew it would put you in danger, I wouldn't have written that damn book.
Thank you like-nya ya kan.
And if everyone had
Ada
that
satu kaca.
attitude, there would be no scientific progress whatsoever. Don't blame yourself. There might still be time
Jadi
to
dua
worsen.
pasang suami istri ini berkelana di dalam hutan, Bang. Berkelana. Nanti istrinya itu jadi mereka ini mau pengen berbaur di hutan-hutan itu, menemuin orang lokal itu.
To go alone.
Tapi nggak boleh ada
That's the only way.
make
Besides,
elektronik modern. Mereka tuh harus benar-benar
They don't seem to like outsiders.
apa ya, zaman yang nggak ada apa-apa. Bikin api aja masih dari kayu, Bang.
Since you published your book, they've been under siege by the media, scientists, doctors. The World Health Alliance established a medical camp and probably performed research, violating the tribe's taboos. But I will convince them. I have to.
Oke, day ketiga. Ini baru tutorial loh, tutorial ini. Halo. Ayo komen lah. Download lah ceplah. Oke, datang menghubungi aku di radio.
Hello, Mia?
Hey, sleepyhead.
Alah, masih tutorial aku nah. Atau dah download aja repo. Kita download main bareng lah.
You left already?
Berapa kemarin? 20 ribu asal. 20 ribu apa 25 ribu? Nggak tahu sekarang, coba. Kalau kemarin 25 ribu
Well, I
serius
was
aku.
hoping we'd have breakfast together.
25 ribu apa 15 ribu?
That's all.
Kalau nggak yang repo tuh, repo tuh boleh.
Admit it.
Ini nak mabar dengan rombongan cewek-cewek nanti.
Didn't you? Well, I didn't.
Wong 8 bisa di main di game Green Hill orang 8 bisanya. Apa tadi disuruh apa? Ambil hadiah di meja. Oh, kita dikasih jam tangan ini GPS dari istri kita. Tapi istrinya nih udah pergi ke desa lokal dan tapi dia diculik nanti kayak gitu lah. Diculik orang lokal sana gitu.
Exactly what I wanted. It even has solar batteries.
Agak lebih luas bay ini to mainnya daripada rap.
Check yourself to see
Kali
you're
ini
not
kan
missing any. We've
di
been here
luar
only a
nah.
few days, but stress can wear you out.
Sebenarnya kalau secara seru kayaknya ini lebih seru karena mainnya. Kalau repo tuh dia repo tuh kayak main yang kecil-kecil lah, yang orang-orang kayak miniatur kecil tapi lawannya monster kayak gitu nah, rame-rame non monster terus ngumpulin duit dalam map itu nah, kayaknya seru lah, ini lebih seru inilah. Belilah ini dulu boleh. Ajalah siapa Bayu boleh. Seru ini sih. Lebih lengkap, lebih ini. Cari sesuatu yang bergizi dan cari makan oh ini kayak ini protein bertenaga cuy. Jadi kita ini harus mempunyai tenaga supaya bisa skidi papap. Lihat ransel kita, makanan mana, makanan perlu harus dimakan. Nah ada Alip juga nah. Yo gas ini belilah ini seru lah ini kok. Kalau repo tuh seru juga. Repo tuh serunya chaosnya. Repo tuh kayak kita tuh yang miniatur kecil-kecil tuh wong 8 tapi mencari harta karun gitu. Nah, tapi ada monsternya. Lari-lari sambil kejar monster. Nah, kalau ini lebih survival tapi lebih keren sih, kayaknya lebih enak ya. Kak request game perang lawan zombie kecuali World War Z. Apa ya? Lihat ada yang kemarin tuh loh yang pernah ku kirim. Oh bener gak ini Alip? Kok diem. Zombie kecuali World War Z. Left 4 Dead tapi dia kayaknya sih, kalau Left 4 Dead itu per season bukan dia per ini ya. Bukan per apa. Ini cuma 15.000 kemarin aku beli, 15.000.
Well rested and well fed.
Belilah main ini be, bisa uang 8 loh.
Perfect. And keep it that way.
Seru
We
juga
need
nah.
that brain of yours working
Steam,
to peak
di Steam.
performance.
I'll
Kemarin
try to
aku
take
cuma
good
beli
care of it.
15.000 apa 25 lupa aku. Kapasitasnya cuma 15 giga. Bisa orang 8. Nah, malam ini aku nak main barengan cewek-cewek. Kalau kamu
They
download
haven't driven
dengan
you
rombongan kamu
away.
baik.
That's a good sign. You need to convince them that you're one of them.
Agreed. That seems to be the right course of
Lebih
action.
leluasa maksudnya.
I
Main
will
dari
sleep
main
on the
rap
edge
lebih
of the
biasa.
village and only eat what I can
Nebang
find.
pohon kenapa. Ya coba dicek be dulu.
Brave girl.
Thanks for the encouragement. Looks like I'm on my own from now on.
Grafiknya oke juga. Ini masih medium. Aku bikin medium ini grafiknya. Aku
Didn't
males
think
yang
of the
berat-berat.
same, but didn't want to say
Sisi
it.
aku lah 70 lah.
I really don't want to lose touch.
Grafik
If
boleh.
anything goes wrong, I'll leave the
Halo,
village
Viral
and see you on the
John.
radio. Otherwise, you can
Kayaknya
assume
perlu
everything
nih.
is just
Halo,
fine and
Viral.
there is
Thank
no
you
need
like-nya.
to worry.
Thank you like-nya ya.
All right. Let's focus on the goal. I'll be focusing on indexing new plant species.
Mana main ini baik kita?
I think I saw a few new
Kayaknya ini
specimen around
bisa.
here.
Gak tahu ya kalau kata orang tadi tuh dia perbuka hutan lagi. Ada misinya. Nah, ini. Orang 8 pokoknya bisa main orang 8. Nah. Pergilah ke hutan mencari tembakau. Kita cek dulu north. Oh, sini. Ini north ya. Oke. Ini bisa. Ya kayaknya ngumpuli bahan ya. Nah, di pohon dipotong baik. Coba cek dulu kok berapa kalau di itu. Nah, 17k nah. Gas ke lah apa ya malam ini, men. Baru nunggu ini Alip terus. Cewekan terus dia. Rapi tidak jalan-jalan. Biar ada konten aku, cu. Halo, buram enggak ya? Buram kah?
Mia, I know I was supposed to not call, but a line snapped and I fell down a good 30 feet.
Jasmine, are you okay?
I'm not
Nah,
sure.
ini tutorial bae, baru tutorial lah.
I'll walk away a bit so they can't hear you. Let me know once you have checked yourself.
That's definitely
Oh,
not good.
realistis itu kayak enak bae ya liatnya. Realistis. Ayolah gas lah. Gas lah kau aja lah di grup. $17.000 cuman. Bicara catatan dulu. Dari papan aja.
It's all right. Nothing's broken. Just scratches and bruises. Nothing to worry about.
In the jungle, every scratch can be dangerous. You need to patch everything up. You remember how to do it?
Yes, I do. Mullen area. Long, smooth, acute leaf.
Long, smooth.
Surrounded by yellow flowers.
That's it.
Okay, I'll go look for it.
You should have it in your notepad. Call me when you've treated your wound.
Roger that. Over and out.
Buat perban oke. Perban. Nah, ini sesuai dengan game ininya, guys. Mana?
Here I am, all wrapped up
Yuraem.
nicely.
Baik komenko.
Does it hurt?
Like hell.
Aw, pobrecito mío. Imagine I am hugging you now.
Acak pula bininya nih. Anji.
Better?
A bit better. Yes. So, how are you doing?
I'll be initiated in a few days. I am optimistic. I expect to be treated as one of their own after that. And
Hello.
I should be able to ask some questions then.
Hello Ruby.
Some elders are opposed to this, though. Luckily, Chief Kuini is on my side.
Why are they opposed?
I think they were divided even before I joined them. The chief wanted to approach the World Health Alliance peacefully.
Game Green Hill
A
bang.
few of the elders
Bang Ruby.
insisted on fighting. Now,
Green Hill tuh kayak survivor lah, survival.
Sounds
Dia
dangerous, Be careful.
mainnya bisa orang
not
8,
in any danger.
bertahan hidup di hutan sambil nyamatin isi istrinya. Dia kayak game-game raw, game-game yang ini.
Please come
Ini masih tutorial sih.
Jake,
Ini aku
I
mau
need you
coba.
here. Jake, please. Please answer me.
Cek aja, murah harga gamenya cuma 17k kok
Mia?
di Steam
What
ya.
happened? Mia,
Seru, bisa orang-orang 8 lah, bisa orang 8 kok, seru kok.
what the hell's going on over there?
Jangan lupa like ya teman-teman. Dikejar kita, dikejar orang pribumi. Ini hutan-hutan pribumi gitu. Nice, Green Hill.
Hello,
Hello.
Jake. What the hell is going on there? Come on, speak to me, Jake. ¿Por qué no me respondes?
Sampai situ aja guys, itu tutorialnya sampai situ. Nanti dia tuh kita multiplayer ya kayaknya. Bergabung host game, jadi host game. Oh, nanti kita. Ini pilihan apa? Oh, jadi nanti ya kita lagi nunggu teman-teman buat main dulu sebentar. Ntar tutorial tadi sudah kita kompol ke bisa kontrol gamenya, kita subtitle on bahasa Inggris oke. Head boob petunjuk already mempercepat oke. Kita nunggu teman-teman dulu. teman-teman dulu bentar.